Item weight, half a pound. Country of origin, United States. Brand name, Frost King. Item dimensions, 0.2 length by 0.58 width by 0.7 height. Clear plastic Weatherseal tape. Transparent plastic Weatherseal tape for indoor or outdoor use is completely waterproof and can withstand extremes of heat and cold. Ideal for installing plastic storm windows, sealing air leaks, repairing cracked glass, etc. It has a special adhesive system which permits application even at -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Frost King Clear Plastic Weatherseal Tape, 2x100. Top reviews from the United States. Stayed sticky all summer. Kept the bugs from creeping in between the AC unit and I never had to reapply the tape.